Have you ever noticed how the wisest people move through life? They don't shout about their plans, their struggles, or their triumphs. There's a quiet strength in their presence, a calmness that seems untouchable. It's not because they have nothing to say, it's because they've mastered the art of discretion. There are things they keep private, not out of secrecy, but out of wisdom. And in this silence, they find clarity, focus, and freedom. Let's start with the most sacred, your goals and dreams. Think of a seed buried in the soil. It doesn't announce its growth. It quietly takes root, drawing strength from the earth until it's ready to rise. Your dreams are the same. They need protection from the winds of doubt, judgment, and unsolicited opinions. When you share your plans too soon, you risk diluting their power. Rumi once said, "Don't be satisfied with stories how things have gone with others. Unfold your own myth." His words remind us that our journey is unique, sacred, and deeply personal. Sharing your dreams prematurely can invite others' fears and limitations into your creative process. How often has someone's doubt made you question yourself? How often has a casual remark planted a seed of hesitation? The truth is, your dreams are fragile in their early stages. They don't need validation. They need nurturing. By keeping them private, you allow them to grow strong, untethered by the expectations of others. When the time comes, your actions will speak louder than any words. Equally important is the sanctuary of your personal life. In an era of oversharing, privacy has become a rare and precious gift. Your relationships, your struggles, and your inner world are not meant to be public spectacles. Carl Jung, a pioneer of psychology and the human spirit, emphasized the importance of boundaries. He said, "Loneliness does not come from being alone, but from being unable to communicate the things that seem important." His words are a reminder that true connection begins within. Sharing too much can often distort the sacredness of your personal life, turning meaningful moments into mere performances for others to consume. When you keep your personal life private, you create space for authenticity. You're not living to impress or seek validation. You're living for yourself and those closest to you. Not everyone deserves access to your heart, your struggles, or your joys. By being selective about what you share and with whom, you preserve the integrity of your relationships. You create a safe haven, free from external judgment, where your true self can thrive. Now let's talk about something many people avoid discussing: money. Your financial situation, whether it's your income, debts, or future plans, is deeply personal. Sharing too much about it can lead to envy, judgment, or even exploitation. But the wisdom of discretion isn't about secrecy, it's about security. Bob Proctor, a thought leader in the world of wealth and personal growth, often said, "Thoughts become things. If you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand." He wasn't just talking about dreaming big. He was talking about the energy you bring to your financial life. When you keep your financial matters private, you protect that energy. Money carries an emotional charge. Envy, pride, fear, and even shame can surround it. Sharing too much about your financial situation can create unnecessary pressure or unrealistic expectations. Worse, it can shift your focus from abundance to comparison. Instead, approach your finances as a personal journey of growth and empowerment. Protect it with boundaries, and let your success be a reflection of your inner work, not a tool for external validation. Privacy is not about hiding, it's about protecting what is sacred. Rumi said, "The soul has been given its own ears to hear things the mind does not understand." This wisdom applies to all three areas of life: your goals, your personal life, and your finances. When you protect these aspects of yourself, you create space to hear your intuition, to connect with your inner wisdom, and to align with your true path. It's not about shutting the world out. It's about creating a balance between what you share and what you keep for yourself. This balance allows you to move through life with clarity and purpose. You're no longer distracted by the noise of opinions or weighed down by others' expectations. You're free to focus on what truly matters. The most intelligent people know that their power doesn't come from what they share, it comes from what they protect. And in that protection, they find peace, growth, flight, and unshakable strength. So ask yourself, what am I sharing that I should be protecting? Where can I create more space for quiet, for reflection, for growth? Remember, not everything is meant for public consumption. Some parts of your life are meant to be lived quietly, deeply, and authentically, because in the silence, you'll find your strength. And in that strength, you'll find your freedom.